everyone, my name is Sayyidatul Rahman Agha from ELICA. Today everybody has a dream to go abroad, live abroad and invest abroad. So do I. My life philosophy is that this is just because of inflections, poverty, street crimes, corruptions, target killings and these all many things. So this is not a time to leave your country in these conditions, in these terms. We know we are suffering too much, we are surviving too much hard, it is hard for us, but no, we are the future, we are the hope, we are the last of our country, and we should too do something for our country and rise up. We faced many difficulties in past and now we are also facing, so it's not mean we give up. We never give up because I believe in strength, unity. This make us strong and we should too fight for their false things and we rise up our country has economy and health and all the things which we need. Thank you so much. Happy Independence Day.